Mommy's not giving you away. She's just gonna let Daddy see you for a little bit. I promise. Yeah, I promise. It's okay, baby.
Yeah,
It's
it's a bit
okay.
lovely.
Congratulations and thank you for
Sounded like
Thank
it.
you. It's okay, my baby. It's okay. It's okay. No reason to get so upset. No reason to get all upset. No, there's not. There's no reason to get so upset. I promise. I promise. I bet you've been sucking on those fingers for 9 months, huh? Yeah.
You want me to stay with you and have your sugar friend send over back and I can do that afterwards?
You make sure you pee on Daddy too, okay? Oh, don't cry. Don't cry, my baby.
DJ, DJ. I should call him.
DJ. Mama's got you. Mama's got you. I do. Yes, I do.
You did really well, didn't you? I hope you're very proud of yourself.
I,
Yeah,
Sure
you should be.
Yeah.
to be honest, I don't remember pushing.
You don't, your body, they tell you push or don't push it, your body's just like doing it.
I just, and I still feel I feel drunk.
Yeah, I know, you couldn't even find your mouth.
See, if you straighten your arm out for me, just a little bit there. See, good pressure.
Mama's got you, baby. Yes, I do.
Are you wanting to breastfeed?
Hmm. Oh,
Are you
yes.
getting to your skin at the moment?
No.
No, let's get... You haven't given him a cuddle, are you?
Yeah.
What you just do is put him against your skin.